Hey everybody, this is JoJo the HVAC man, and just talking to you from wherever you are in the world, whether you're on the West Coast, the East Coast, or somewhere else on the globe. I don't know whether it's day or night for you. For me, it's a beautiful Friday afternoon. The skies are blue, the sun is shining. It's a great day. But I wanted to address the issue of, in the HVAC world, of critical thinking. And, for a lot of us, we're trying to understand, what the components are and what they do and what a gas valve is, what a evaporator, what a compressor, an expansion valve, a TXV, a EEV, whatever it may be. But I wanted to stress the fact that if you want to grow in this career, if you want to get better, you got to do critical thinking. In other words, you got to understand the sequence of operation, number one, like what is the system supposed to do? Like, for instance, air conditioning, right? You got to know that there's three things have got to run when you turn on an AC system. And just think about it for a minute. I'll give you 5 seconds. Okay, 5 seconds are up. So, you got to have a compressor going, right? You got to have an outdoor fan going. And you got to have an indoor fan going. All right, those are three things that's got to happen. Now, once those three things kick on, then you got the metering device that's in play. You got to understand that, okay, so how do these four basic components, the evaporator, the condenser, the compressor, and the expansion valve, how do they all, relate to one another? How do they dance together? How are they supposed to work? And this is where you got to understand that what superheat is, what subcooling is, what a condenser split is, and what an evaporator TD versus delta T is. If you don't understand those they really are basic concepts, you're not going to know how to, diagnose a air conditioning system that's running but not doing the job. Okay, it's not always about low refrigerant. It's not always about low airflow. It's not always about the TXV not working right. Okay, electrically, trust me, most of the time has nothing to do with the bad control board. Okay, the control boards are so badly they're condemned all the time, but most of the time they're fine. Thermostats, same way. Thermostats are usually fine. We're trying to diagnose down into the electrical side, like why isn't something working? Why isn't it coming on? Why is it short cycling, right? And you've got to understand how the electrical integrates with the refrigerant side. So remember, we got three principles of air conditioning. We got the refrigerant side, we got the electrical side, and we have the air side. All three have to work together, just like the body, right? We got the brain, we got the heart, we got the lungs, we got the blood flow going on, and we even have electricity flowing through our bodies. All that's got to work together to create a healthy body. Well, air, refrigerant, electricals all got to work together to create a healthy HVAC system, okay? So just keep that in mind as you're learning. Study the electrical side of things, high voltage, low voltage, control voltage, sequence of operation on the control side, sequence of operation on the refrigerant side, and on the air side, okay? So I'm just throwing this out there. It's a quick and dirty video for you guys to understand that critical thinking is major when it comes to HVAC diagnosing. You got to know what it's supposed to be doing, why it's supposed to be doing that, and then why it's not doing that. Okay? All right. Let me know in the comments more detail of what you want to know about what I'm discussing in this video. It's kind of a test to see who's watching and who wants something from me. And I would love to do a live Zoom, like from everybody all over the world, and we can talk about HVAC for like, 30, 45 minutes. Ask me questions, and I'll be glad to give you answers as we go along. Okay? All right. Take care. Look to hear back from you. Bye.